Okay, so this lighting is terrible. Let's see if this helps. Not really, but okay. We are sitting here at the Hobbit Hole, which is a vape shop. One of Sean's friends, buddies' vape shops. And it's going out of business, so he thought he'd stop by. Hey, Mr. Colton. He loves balloons. Those are like those puncher ball ones. They were popular when I was a kid. And anyways, and I am about to starve to death. You want the ball? Or the balloon, not the ball. But anyways, say hi, baby. Say hi. He loves to look at himself. Look. Who's that pretty baby? But anyways, we're here. Not much really happening. We're gonna go get supper after this, cause yeah, like I said, I'm starving. I don't know what, but you know. Maybe something good. Look, buddy. Hey, hello. Ooh. My baby. He's never been on a vlog before. Usually I'm driving and he's in the back. So yeah. We just went into Dollar General. Had to get toilet paper, baby wipes. And I seen some cute little sippy cups. It came in a pack and I didn't know. It's purple. It's kind of girly to me. And look, there's Cole's stupid ass. Anyways, here is, excuse my language, a yellow one. And I got another one of those, wherever it went. So 2 of those and a purple one for $4. I thought they were cute. And he needs to, these are the hard tip. I'm going to try to use those. But anyways, I'll probably be sitting here for 20 minutes now that his cousin Cole walked in. Because they're going to chat it up in there. And I can't go in, obviously, because Colton. There's no juice in there. He needs to hurry up, though. I get so bored sitting here and waiting. You want a Teddy Graham? But anyways, Christmas is 21 days away. That's exciting, I guess. Yep. Say yep. Say I don't even know about Christmas yet, but I got lots of presents. Yeah. Oh yeah, I uploaded a short clip of him waking up. Every time he wakes up from a nap. Now in the mornings he gets me up. But I wake him up usually from his naps and he's just so happy and so sweet. If you want to check that out, it's not long. It's just like a short little cute little clip. But anyways, hey, Colton is definitely walking already now. He started a couple weeks ago. I know I have not been vlogging every day. I've got to do some sit down videos. It's just, there's not time. I've got to make it though. And definitely, I enjoy doing videos. What is it, Goober? But anyways. These idiots. I wish. This is why. Can I flip it? What does that do? I can't flip it. They're in there. Knowing that we're in here. Bored. Cold. It's pretty cold. Damn, want some juice? I don't know. Does that look girly? It is purple, but it's cute. SpongeBob. He doesn't even really like SpongeBob, but you know, it works. Nothing's in there, huh? Oh my gosh. Is that yummy, Teddy Graham? And no juice in there. Those need to be washed before you drink out of them, really. But you know what? Just keeping them occupied. Anywho, what's everybody been up to this Christmas season? When I was younger, everyone talked about, oh, when you get older, it's not as fun. It's just about the gifts. Now it's not. I mean, I'm glad we have a kid and we get to buy for him and see his reaction, but it's so stressful because you want to get him everything and more, and sometimes it's hard, you know, to afford it, but it is what it is. He's got plenty, though. We're blessed to be able to do that, to get him what we have got him. So, yeah. So kids, if you're watching this, be thankful for whatever you get. Your parents try. They try their hardest to do what they can for you, okay? Growing up, I didn't always see that, but that's just part of life. Getting older, you understand. Your parents, well, I should say most parents, do what they can for you. My real parents, not so much, but my aunt and uncle, who adopted me, they did anything in the world they could. Sometimes they couldn't afford things I wanted, and I would bitch a fit sometimes, but now I understand. So coming from a parent perspective, just be thankful for whatever you get. Yes, because it really hurts your parents' feelings. Sean is still in there messing with shit and looking around. Yeah, make your way to the door, buddy. Come on. He's slowly coming. Blowing in clouds in there. I'm sad this guy's business is already going out of business. He's not been open long, but it's Wilkes County. What can you expect? But anywho, they're walking out. Sean doesn't like to be on the vlog, but you know what? He's gonna be for a minute. He doesn't like it. Here they come. 1, 2. Hi. Say hi. I'm gonna get up front. It's okay. Where's that bird? I'm vlogging. I'm trying to find it. What? Whose bird is that?
It's been here ever since Booty came here. That's from Brandon's name.
So just some random bird hangs out here. Zaxby's has buy one get one free chicken tender meals. That's what I want.
Subway's got 2 buy one get free. You buy one get one free. Or no, it's 2 6-inches for $10. 2 drinks and chips for $10. Be $5 a piece.
Y'all are on.
Well, I gotta run Katie to Zaxby's. What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Oh my God! I'm gonna run Katie to Zaxby's. Just meet me at the Subway, the one beside Food Line.
Ew. I don't want Subway. You're taking me to Zaxby's.
You have to do that right there.
Yeah.
I feel like I can't talk to you when you do that.
Yeah, you're supposed to. I need one of those things off of eBay. Did you get one?
What?
A vape.
Yeah.
Instead of, I forgot to cut them lights off. Will that bother you?
I can reach it.
I mean, Sean.
Well,
Would you rather go up there or get your phone screen fixed? I'd rather got my phone screen fixed.
I'll get my phone screen fixed this weekend. But
I need to open
it
this.
kind of guilt tripped me. I wouldn't expect that at all. It got me good. Some rolls.
Anyways, I'm going to end the vlog. I'll talk to you guys later at Subway.